All right, hey there, viewers. So I've been putting this off for a while now, since I've had this truck for just over a year. So I got these bed sniffers to install into my bed. So apparently, what I've heard is that these beds, because they're composite, they're not as strong. So yeah, I'm going to be putting these in. Especially when I, have a tent on the bed of my truck. I kind of want it to be able to support my fat ass and also my girlfriend's. So yeah, I got these bed sniffers from Green Lane Off Roads. They are actually made locally here on the islands. Yeah, so give them a if you want instructions, they have it on their website. I also got a stump bumper from them as well, so I'm still waiting to put that on. Trying to save up to maybe when I get a winch and everything, I'm gonna do it all at the same time. So yeah, this is pretty simple. I think anybody can do it. They just you're gonna be reusing these two bolts here because they just go into these holes. You gotta remove the tail light and drill two holes, and they come with a couple of hardwares and a bracket that goes right behind it. Take the tail lights out. It's only two bolts that hold it in. This one and this one. Maybe a little bit hard to pull out because of these little grommets that the dowels go into. But yeah, just give it a good yank and it'll pop right out. So the next thing, I'm just going to remove these, and we're not going to be reusing this tie down. You got those bolts out, you got to reuse the spacer. It's going to go back into the hole, and also that spring washer. It's also going to go in the hole. And we're going to install this loosely. So yeah, just line the holes back up. Where's the other bolt? It's right here. So yeah, that's just gonna go in there. I'm gonna go ahead and run this down a little bit. Right. All right, so I drilled my two holes. There's one there, one there. I'm gonna reinstall everything, and then yeah, stick these bolts through with the included brackets. Where is it? Where did those brackets go? Oh, here they are. Yeah, so these brackets go up and behind here, or behind this thing. All right, so I had this side installed. The only thing is that I, put a little bit of grease on the nuts just to help prevent it from like corroding and stuff. But yeah, maybe I should just try some fluid film or something and just spray the inside of this. Yeah, the only downside I can see with these stiffeners is this raised part. So if I wanted to slide anything in, this is going to be in the way. And also I'm missing the tie down because I can't put the tie downs in. So yeah, that's the only downside I see with these brackets. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and yeah, guess what? The CRV is back, and it's having door lock issues. So I'm gonna take a look at that after I finish this. So yeah, stay tuned. This is what it looks like on this side. The only difference on this side is they actually have a logo on here. So yeah, but anyways, maybe like a quick update with the truck. Yeah, I've had the truck for over just a year now. It's got just over 40,000 kilometers. As you can see, it's 40,700. Haven't had any issues, still doing my oil change every 5,000 kilometers. And yeah, it's a super hot day today. Oh. Yeah, it's like almost 30 degrees today. So yeah, that's just like a quick update on the Tacoma.